In this quick tutorial, I will guide you how you can change the aspect ratio 16 by 9 to cinematic in the Filmora 21.9. So for this, you need to click on the stock media, go to the library and select the media and put on the timeline. And now head to the file on the top menu bar, go to the project settings, and the right now it is 16:9 is which is the widescreen, and click on the drop down menu and select the 21.9 which is the cinema aspect ratio. Click OK, and here in the window you can see that the video has been converted to the cinematic ratio. So this way you can easily change the cinematic ratio. Moreover, there is another way. You can click on this, the monitor symbols, and go to the change project aspect ratio, and you will be routed to the same window project settings. Click on that and change it to the 21.9 and click OK. It is so simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can change it. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.